It blew up. It blew up, it blew up. I'm dumb. I was wearing flip-flops. I burned my foot. No footage of it. Don't ask for it. It doesn't exist. It's just not here. I was standing here and ripped a couple more passes and it blew up. Like it charred to my waist, but the flames were definitely like my brother-in-law was like, couldn't really see it. Like it was just fire. This fire only lasted seconds, but look how fast it charred everything. That also means that it got dark in here really quick. This sounds like I'm super ninja, but I'm really proud of myself. I was super ninja. I went that way because I knew there was a fire bottle between the garage doors, and I knew that like worst came to worst, I could pull that red handle and the garage door gets loose and I go out, right? I always remember that. You're in a panic, this is your exit. This, and you're out. It sounds dumb, it's your home garage, but if you're welding and working on cars, you know kind of your plan. There should be a fire bottle at every exit. Like ideally you grab it as you go. And there should be a fire bottle outside the two primary exits so that if you do get out, you can come back and fix things. These are my rules, I don't know. They're just add-ons, follow the real rules. Back to me being ninja. I go this way, I hit the door. Oh, and the rolly thing is because like I think I'm on fire. Like those flames are high, they're like chest high. I don't know what's melting. It all happened really, really fast. Like I thought it was burning. So when I jumped out, I rolled. It's like stop, drop, roll. So you roll, I hit the door here, boom, right the cool girl. I was upside down and I couldn't get anything to work. And it should have worked easy, but like this stupid little band is so small. I know the concept, but in the dark I couldn't see all this.
You try to get that stupid thing off with a pair of welding gloves on.
Fine, we'll do it from the wall to the pin, and you need to get to it with welding gloves, you're screwed. Mine happened to be like that. Now it's bright, I can manipulate it, I get it up like this. I flip it up, I get it up. But like, it is hard when you're in a panic and everything behind you is on fire. And I did take 1 second to look back to be like, am I really out of time? Just get the garage door open and get the F out of here. And I was like afraid the whole thing was gonna blow up. So I came back to this and I slowed down and I used 2 hands and I got 1 finger on this side and 1 finger on this side and I slowly inched this stupid thing out. Then I just took this hose and I flipped it this way. Big fan of having these flexible hoses when they're mounted to the wall in the garage, and just dumped it. Filled the car under it first, then went over to here, got that out, and then looked down at my poor foot, and that's, you know, it was like the whole Pink Floyd Wish You Were Here thing where the hand's on fire. Patted those out with a glove, and yeah, I was wearing flip-flops, and jumped in my car and just drove straight to the hospital. But yeah, it did suck. So I got like second-degree burns in the toes. Oh, and then like 48 hours later, went down and announced the ARX race. St. Louis, it was awesome. ARX is so cool. It's back to the building. We got our fire stick here we gotta cut out. Okay, so